Hello everyone, guys. Today we are going to discuss and, or, and not operators. There are more three operators, that is and or not operators, which can be further used with the where clause. In the previous videos, I have taught you that where clause can be used with many more operators like equal to, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, whatever, then between, in, like. There were more operators. Now it's turn up to the and or not operators. So let's discuss what is there and what are their syntax and what are the basically conditions attached with these operators. Let's see. The where clause can be combined with and, or, and not operators. Okay. Then after that, the main conditions are the and or. Okay. The and or operators are used to filter records based on more than one conditions. Yes. These are two operators which can only be used if we have more than one conditions in our query. Okay. If we have one query in which we have to check if the this and this, if we have to check this or this, then we are going to use these operators. Conditions may be more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, but it has to be more than one. Okay. The AND operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by AND are true. There is more condition that when we are using 2 or 3 conditions by using AND operator, so these all conditions should give something. At least we get at least one tuple or row from that conditions, that it will going to show you the result by using this AND operator. If one of the condition is not true, means it's not giving anything, then nothing will be displayed on the screen. Okay guys, see. The next move to the OR operator. The OR operator displays a record if any of the conditions separated by OR is true. It is like different from the AND in this way. If we are using 2 or more conditions by using OR operator, then if one of the any condition gives you something, then it will going to show the output by using this query, otherwise no. But in the AND operator, what is that if the conditions, if there are 2 or more conditions, whatever, but all the conditions should give something, then it going to show all the result, otherwise not. But there is a condition, if one condition is showing you something, give you something output, then does not matter more conditions whichever you have put on it will give you or not, but at least one of the conditions give you something that is going to show you the result. Okay guys. The next is not operator displays a record if the conditions okay is not true. That means there is not compulsion that there should be more than one condition. No, we can use it with 1, 2 or 3 conditions, but it will display a record if the condition is not true. The condition which have you mentioned there should not give you something, give you the other output, then it will going to show the result. Okay guys, see. We basically discussed the syntax of these operators, the AND operator syntax. First we have to mention select column 1, column 2, that is the attributes, whatever you want, show many attributes from table name, then where clause, then condition 1, then AND operator, then condition 2nd, then condition 3rd by using the AND operator. Okay, this is the AND operator which basically we have to use to join 2 conditions. Okay guys, so in this way we can use the AND syntax. The another way, more operator is OR operator, that is the syntax select condition 1, condition 2 up to n, then from table name where condition 1 joined with the OR operator, then condition 2, then joined with the OR operator, then condition 3. In this way you can use this query. After that, not syntax select column 1, column 2 up to n from table name, then where clause, then not conditions. We have to put not before the conditions. Okay. So this is the basically a syntax. Let's move to the next session where we will do what is exactly the AND operator, be a query like B and their example and the output from that queries. There is one more thing, we can combinedly also use these operators. There is not compulsion that you will have to use only the AND operator. No, we can combinedly use AND with or with and with not with or, any combination. Okay, so we will do something that things in the further sessions. So let's take a break. I will write all the other material on the board, then continue. Okay guys, let's move to some example or the queries related with the and or not operator. So let's see what is exactly the query and what are the output is coming from that queries. So first we will see the select star from employees where country is equal to USA and operator then and CID greater than 002. What this exactly query says you? The select all the attributes from employees. We have to select, it will select all the attributes CID, CNAME, country from the table employees. Then there is a where clause which checks out or which see the condition country is equal to USA, country is equal to USA, country is equal to USA and CID should be greater than 002. So it will select all the tuples from where country is equal to USA and CID should be greater than 0. So first we will see where is the USA, there and there, and from these we have to check out the CID should be greater than 002. So there is 001, it will not include that. After that there is a 005, yes it will include. After 006, yes it will include. So there what will be the output from this query? The output will be this only 2 rows. Okay, it will skip out this because it will not satisfying the condition CID greater than 002. Here is 001 is less than 002. Okay guys, let's move to another one. Select star from employees where country is equal to USA or country is equal to Germany. See, there is a or operator. So what exactly the or operators tell us that there are basically 2 or more condition, but at least one condition should be true, then it will get the output. So we will check out basically what is exactly the condition. Let's see first again. See, we have to see the country is equal to USA. So we will select where is the country is equal to USA, there and there. After that it is checking that it should or country is equal to Germany. So it will check where is Germany. Okay, we have selected all these values. Okay, from these values we will check out the corresponding output. So it will give us this and this. Okay, what it's going to be skipped? 002, 004. Because it is not including country Berlin, it is not including country Berlin. It will include only USA and a Germany based output. So there is the output from this. After that we will select that the select star from employees where not country is equal to USA. Now we are using the not operator. What it will tell us that we have to select only those countries where country should not be USA. So we will see USA, no. Berlin, yes. Germany, yes. Berlin, yes. USA, no. USA, no. So it will give the output of all these rows 002, 003, 004 and complete this one. Okay, because it is not including USA. So we will skip USA from this. Okay. After that, combining and or not operators. So we can also combine the and or not operator in our ways. Let's see what exactly can be that. Select star from employees where country is equal to USA and then bracket CID is greater than 001 or, remember there is or, CID less than 004. So what exactly that? The country should be USA and this condition should give us something, then it going to give the complete output, otherwise not. So see again, there is a condition that country should be USA. Okay, let's go with the USA. Okay, and after that what is saying that the CID should be 001 or CID less than 004. Either this or either this, one of the conditions should be true. So then we will give the output, otherwise no output will be going because it is attached with the AND output. Okay, then if we get something from this condition, then we are going to attach this with and the USA. Clear out? See, we have selected the USA. From this we will check out either their ID is greater than 001 or 004. See, its ID is 001. So is it satisfying this condition? No. But there is an OR operator. So we will go further that CID is less than 004. Yes. 001 is not greater than 001 because it's not equal to, but it is, yes, less than 004. So it will include that. Okay. After that, this one 005 greater than 005, it will include 006, it will include. So I am getting all these rows which have the USA. Okay. Sometimes students get confused ki will it give or not by seeing the less than or equal to, but you have to check out ki either this or this condition should give something, then we are going to check or take the output. Okay guys. Next is select star from employees where not country is equal to Germany and not country is equal to Berlin. We have to select all those countries which is not from Germany and Berlin. So what we will do that, we will not select the Germany and the Berlin. So let's see what will the output. Let's see USA, which is not the part of Germany or the Berlin. So we will take it. Then again Berlin, it has mentioned that we will not include Berlin. Then cut it out. Then Germany is also said that we can't use it because it is a with not operator. After that Berlin, again not, then USA, then USA. So we are getting this output only Berlin, Germany and the Berlin. These rows will be skipped out. We will get only 001, 005 and 006 and the corresponding their result. Okay guys. So this is the basically a concept where we can use the AND, OR and the NOT operator and with their combinations also. So let's guys, this is all about the how we can use AND or NOT and their combination. Let's move to the another session where we will discuss something. If you guys you are liking my video, if you find my videos are helpful for you, so please like and share these videos and subscribe the channel, and please follow the playlist of these sessions which link is under the description, so you can't skip any videos. Thank you.